If someone were to come and write you a blank check, Manmeet, here is a big plot of land or whatever, and this is a unlimited budget. What is that one thing you would like to really design?
Uh, a very interesting resort. I somehow always being attracted to do that. I'm doing though. I'm doing in Palampur a
Yeah, I
couple
was
of
going to say
resorts.
that maybe it's that process, that journey is already begun.
Yeah, and basically, I myself is very obsessed with the very nice resorts, nice views, resorts, staying over there. And I did my thesis in five-star resorts.
Okay.
Yes, and I chose the site in Lonavala, studied in Punjab, having a vision, choosing the site at Lonavala, a very nice river view, and did my case studies at that time. Taj Village Resort, Sidade, Goa by Charles Correa, and Leela Palace. So I think back then I have that vision. When I used to, be on my presentations now, so I used to give this coffee shops here and there, and as my teachers used to say, "Ki ye kya hai?" It's like yehi hai. And then that's an interesting story. So when my thesis was happening, so the professor has come from SPA.
Okay.
So as you know, I'm good at sketching, storytelling. If this is a lakeside view, I sketch that. I sketch that cottages. I make that all ground games at that time. Then I think all the nooks of the resort, I just played with it. It's a contour resort, and at that time, managing a contour resort and such a acres of land means something. So I put all the sketches with all the drawings, with all the color rotring things, all drafted by my hand. And that teacher came, SPSA, and said, uh, you know what, तुमने ना मुझे इस बंदे की याद करा दी है इस होल कॉन्सेप्ट देख के एंड जिसने मुझे उस बंदे की याद करी यू हैव डन सच अ मार्वलस वर्क you deserve to be the first position. Very much on the Viva day, and I was very happy. And also, then my project got nominated for Young Architects Festival, and I got overall third prize all over India for my
Wow.
resort.
Do you think it's difficult to design if a client actually gives you original जो मेरा क्वेश्चन था ब्लैंक चेक का, अगर कोई क्लाइंट आपको एक ब्लैंक चेक दे देता है, does that make your life easier or harder?
I think when a client gives you a blind check, that means he have like 100% trust on you.
Hmm.
When someone is trusting you 100%, you have to give your
So it's
200%.
harder.
It's harder. जब मुझे क्लाइंट कहता है ना, मनमीत ये आपका ही घर है, आप करोगे, तब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और बढ़ जाती है कि यस यार, उसने मुझे ट्रस्ट किया है ना, अगर वो मेरे पे 80-90% भी चल रहा है ना, तो मैं 100% करके दूंगी. और जनरली आई डू द 100%. वो फिर आप पे ना रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, द मोरल वैल्यूज, एवरीथिंग, comes on your shoulder, and you try to give it to the best, and I give it the best.